Question number 1. Prove that 3 sin inverse x is equal to sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube. First, take right hand side. Sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube. Last class, we have discussed some formula and trick also. Look at here. 3x minus 4x cube. Then we have to put x equal to sin theta. Simply put x equal to sin theta. Sin inverse 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. And this is equal to sin 3 theta. First year trigonometry formula. Sin inverse sin 3 theta. Now sin inverse sin cancel with each other. We will get only 3 theta. That is 3 times we have to put the value of theta. From here, take the sin into another side. It becomes sin inverse. Now what is the value of theta? Theta equal to sin inverse. Put here. This is equal to left hand side. Hence proved. Similarly, you can try type 6-7 formula, type 8 formula and type 9 formula. Here we have to put x equal sin theta. Here we have to put x equal to cos theta. Here x equal tan theta. Here x equal tan theta. Here x equal tan theta. Here also x equal tan theta. Similarly, you can do it type 8. Question number 2. Simplify tan inverse 1 minus x by 1 plus x. Then second bit, third bit and fourth bit. First bit. Bit number 1. If you check this term with our formula list, it is not equal with any term. Then what will we do? That means we cannot take x equal to any trigonometry function. Now write down tan inverse 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x into, simply multiply 1 here and 1 into x is equal to x. That means these two terms are equal. There is no doubt. Now let this is equal to capital X, this is equal to capital Y. Capital X, this is capital Y. Now tan inverse x minus y divided by 1 plus xy. Tan inverse x minus y divided by 1 plus xy. And this is equal to tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. We can write here tan inverse x. What the value of x? Here 1 minus tan inverse y. What the value of y? Small x. And this is equal to pi by 4 minus tan inverse x. This is the simplest form of bit 1. Then second bit. Second bit is cot inverse. First, change this function into tan inverse. We know that cot inverse x is equal to tan inverse reciprocal of 1 by x. Reciprocal of this term 1 divided by 1 plus x by 1 minus x. Tan inverse. After simplification, we will get. Now this is equal with type 1. You can simply multiply 1 here, then separate. This is a trick of tan inverse type questions. Then comes to bit 3. Cosec inverse 1 plus x square divided by 1 minus x square. First, convert to sin inverse. Same formula, sin inverse 1 divided by reciprocal of this value. is equal to sine inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. If you compare this term with our formula list, here there is a term. We have to put x equal to tan theta. Now put x equal to tan theta. Sine inverse 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. And this is equal to cos 2 theta. Here the trigonometric function is sine, but here the trigonometric function is cos. That means we have to change this trigonometric function into sine. And we have a formula, that is cos theta is equal to sine 90 minus theta. We are writing ASTC rule, sine 90 theta minus sine 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. That means here we can write sine inverse sine 90 minus 2 theta. Sine 90 minus theta, this is equal to cos 2 theta. Now sine is cancel with the another sine term, we will get pi by 2 minus theta. Now put the value of theta. Here theta equal to x equal to tan theta and theta equal to tan inverse x. Now put here. This is the answer. Now bit 4. These are the formulas of inverse trigonometric function chapter. These two are type 6, this is type 7. This is all the left hand side, this is right hand side. If you compare these three terms, every term contain a 1 in denominator part. Here also 1. In case of type 7, this formula, it contains x square. Whether it contains x square, it contains 2 terms. But here contain a single term. And these two formulas contain 2 terms. That means this is the formula of either this or this. Here a plus sign, but here a minus sign. Here is a plus sign. That means it indicates this formula. Tan inverse 1 plus, it is the first term is 1, write 1. Second term is the multiplication of 2 terms. Take x common here. This is our capital X. This is our capital Y. 1 plus x multiply with y. Here also 1 plus x multiply with y. Numerator part contains x minus y. What the value of x? X and y. If you write x minus 1 plus x, it is not equal with this term. So we cannot write this term. That means we have to change our x and y. We can write the same term like 1 plus x into 1 plus x. But now we have to check this is our x term, this is our y term. Then we can write 1 plus x minus x. If you simplify, you will get 1. Now put the formula of type 7, tan inverse x minus y divided by 1 plus x into y. What the formula? Tan inverse x, capital X, minus tan inverse capital Y. This is equal to small x. This is the answer. This is our next question. Prove that tan inverse x plus tan inverse y plus tan inverse z equal to cot inverse x plus cot inverse y plus cot inverse z. Taking left hand side, you can take right hand side, anything. Any side you can choose. This is our left hand side. Here we need a cot inverse x, but here is tan inverse x. That means we have to change this function into cot inverse. Simple. There are two methods. First, we can use tan inverse x is equal to cot inverse 1 by x. If you choose this formula, your x becomes 1 by x, but we need the variable x, not 1 by x, so we cannot use this formula. Second formula, we know that tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2. And what the value of tan inverse x from here? 90 minus cot inverse x. We can put here pi by 2 minus cot inverse x. Similarly, these two terms. Now simplify it. 90, 90, 90, that is 3 pi by 2 minus times cot inverse x plus cot inverse y plus cot inverse z. Now first year again, first year formula. 3 pi by 2 minus theta. 270 minus theta is equal to cot theta. And here this is our theta. This is equal to cot theta. This is our right hand side. Hence proved. Next question. Find the value of this term. Tan of 2 tan inverse 1 by 5 minus pi by 4. Take this term into A. Take this term into B. Tan A minus B formula. What the formula? This is equal to tan A minus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B. 10 times. Now put the value of A, angle A and angle B. Okay. Now we have to find value of this term. Write the term separately and find its value. How to find? Here is 10, here is tan inverse. We can cancel this term, but there is a 2 between 10 and tan inverse. First, we have to apply 2 tan inverse x formula type 7 in terms of 10. Tan inverse 2 times A divided by 1 minus A square. Tan of tan inverse. Simplify it. After simplification, we will get tan of tan inverse 5 by 12. Now cancel this. Now we will cancel 10 with tan inverse. We will get only 5 by 12. That means value of this term is 5 by 12. Now we can put here. This is equal to, this is 5 by 12. This is 1. 5 by 12 minus 1 divided by 1 minus 5 by 12 times 1. Now again simplify it, you will get your result. Sorry, here is a plus sign, not minus sign. It's by mistake. 5 minus 12 by 17. This is the answer. Minus 7 by 17. Question number 5. These are 2 mark questions. If sine inverse alpha plus sine inverse beta plus sine inverse gamma equals 3 pi by 2, then find the value of alpha times beta, beta times gamma and alpha times gamma. Similarly, next question. First, we know that sine inverse x belongs to minus 9 to plus 90. Yes or no? This is the range of sine inverse x. That means the maximum value is pi by 2 and the minimum value is minus pi by 2. Any sine inverse term has maximum value that is pi by 2. If you add 3 sine inverse term and this is equal to 3 pi by 2, is it possible when it gives a maximum value? That means sine inverse alpha equal to pi by 2, sine inverse beta is equal to pi by 2, sine inverse gamma is equal to pi by 2. That means sine inverse alpha equal to pi by 2, sine inverse beta equal to pi by 2 and sine inverse gamma equal to pi by 2. Add these to the terms. Then we'll get 3 pi by 2. Sine inverse alpha plus sine inverse beta plus sine inverse gamma. Otherwise, the addition of these three terms is not equal to 3 pi by 2. If this will happen, then this is true. From here we will get alpha equal to sine pi by 2 and sine 90 equal to 1. Similarly, beta equal to 1 and gamma equal to 1. We have to find alpha into beta, beta into gamma and alpha into gamma. 1 plus 1 plus 1, this is equal to 3. Similarly, this question. In this question, we know that cos inverse x belongs to 0 to pi. That means, what is the maximum value? Pi. If you add these three terms of cos inverse, it will gives 3 pi. Then one term is pi, next term is pi, and third term is also pi. That means cos inverse alpha equal to pi. And what the value of alpha? Cos 180. This is equal to minus 1. Minus 1, minus 1, minus. This answer is minus 3. Similarly, okay. Next question. Solve it. Bit 1 and bit 2. First bit 1. Sin inverse x minus sin inverse y equal to pi by 3. Cos inverse x plus cos inverse y equal to 2 pi by 3. This is our equation number 1. This is our equation number 2. And we have to solve this equation 1 and equation 2, and we have to find the value of x and y. Similarly, second bit. Trick. First add equation 1 and equation 2. This is our equation number 1. This is our equation number 2. If you add this two equations, what we will get? And why we will add these two equations? Why not subtract? Because if you add these two equations, sin inverse x plus sin inverse y, this is equal to pi by 2. Or you can subtract also. If you subtract, these two terms equal to pi by 2. Anything you can do it, either addition or subtraction, depends upon the question. And in this question you can add and or subtract. If you add, you will get first pi by 2, addition of these two terms, and the second term contains cos inverse y, and here the second term is minus sin inverse y equal to pi by 3 plus 2 pi by 3, 3 pi by 3. This is now cos inverse y minus sin inverse y, this is pi. Take this term into another side. This is the answer, cos inverse y minus sin inverse y equal to pi by 2. Now we know that cos inverse y plus sin inverse y equal to pi by 2. This is our formula, type 3 or type 4, anything, maybe type 3 or maybe type 4. From here, cos inverse y equal to 90 minus sin inverse y. Put here 90 minus sin inverse y minus sin inverse y equal to pi by 2. This is equal to this term. Again, pi by 2 cancel with each other. So minus 2 times sin inverse y equal to 0. Hence sin inverse y equal to 0. And what is the value of y? Sine 0, and sine 0 is 1. That means y equal to 1. This is the value of y. Now we will choose either equation number 1 or equation number 2. I am taking equation number 1. Put the value of y in equation number 1. What is the value of y? Y equal to 1 or sine y inverse y equal 0. Put here, take the term into right hand side. Put the value of sine inverse y. Pi by 3 plus 0 is pi by 3. Sine inverse x equal pi by 3. That means x equal to sine pi by 3. And sine pi by 3 is equal to root 3 by 2. This is our value of x and this is our value of y. Similarly, you can do it bit number 2. If you have any doubt, then send me a text message in our comment box.